Hello children, good morning to you all. Let us start our new session that is all about the new lesson called The Great Sand Artist. Understand, the name of our lesson is The Great Sand Artist. See, our country is famous for its art, culture, traditions, heritage, etc. Okay, then there are so many kinds of art forms we follow in our country or even throughout the world, I can say. One among them is the sand art. What is sand art? You know, at the seashore, you find wet sand. Using the sand, the artist can sculpt, carve different shapes, different designs and patterns. This is called sand art. In our country, the great person called Sudarshan in Assam. In India, he introduced this to all the people of India. Understand, it was done by chance, children, not with any intention. He did not go to any school. Understand, he did not attend any art classes. Nothing. Just by his own, he started doing, and it was liked by the people, tourists who visited that particular seashore in Assam. I'm sorry, in Odisha, not Assam, Odisha. Odisha is just above our state, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It has a very good seashore. Understand, there lived a very poor family of Sudarshan. Understand? So, he was actually a very poor person, but he got People's Choice Award by world famous award, world level, international level award for his art. Understand? How he developed this art? He developed this art just by chance. Just by chance. Not purposely. Not with any intention. He did not have any idea about developing this art. Understand? But he is the first person. His name is Sudarshan Patnaik. Okay. In Odisha. He was living, he lives, even now he is there, children. He lives in Odisha on the seashore, a place or village on the seashore. He lived in a very poor family. He had brothers and sister, mother, grandmother. Father left them when he was too small and went away. So mother had to work very hard to bring up these children, to look after these children and the family. So she could not send the children to school. When he was very young, in primary level only, he stopped going to school. And so to pass the time, he used to go to the seashore. He used to stand on the seashore and look at the vast spread of water. And he was feeling bored. That's why what he did, on the seashore, he started making patterns with the wet sand. Actually, how did he get this idea? When waves hit the seashore, they go back. While coming, they get some sand and deposit on the shore. And in that way, he could find some kind of pattern. Pattern means design, some kind of design on the seashore. Naturally, when the waves do this, I also can do, he thought, and he started doing small uh, patterns, and he made even a castle also. Castle means big building, understand? And what happened? People used to stand beside him and look at his art. That is how he got appreciation, praise for his art. And then what did he do? He joined some family as a worker, so he could not get time. When he was not doing any job, when he did not take up any job, he could go and go to the seashore, pass a very major part of his time on the seashore, looking at the waves, making the patterns, etc. But once he joined somebody's house as a worker, servant, then he could not get much time to do this work. But in the morning, early morning, he used to go and do. And after his work is over, when he becomes free from his job, he used to go and do. And people, one, two, three, like that, so many people came and looked at his work, watched his work. And they even used to say what is wrong in his work, what is right. So if anybody says you are doing this wrong, means we have to set right. We should not get angry or feel bad. That good habit he had. So whenever any person says, any tourist says, any part of the pattern is wrong or something big or small, then he used to correct it. In this way, slowly he developed and he reached the international level. That is what is the story of the great sand artist of our country. So, now what we do? I already gave you the difficult words. Now I would like to read them for you, children. Please listen to me and read. Hope you have written them, whatever it is, but let us write them. Please learn their spellings. One day gap you have got on Friday, so I could not take the class for that day due to some reason. So it is the class where you are learning to pronounce, read the difficult words of the lesson, the great art, the sand artist, which already I sent you, and already you must have been written them in your notebook. So first one is sculpting, SCULPTING, sculpting. Second one is SCULPTURE, sculpture. Third one is competition, COMPET PETITION, competition. Fourth one is discovered, DISCOVERED, discovered. Fifth one is patterns, PATTERNS, patterns. Next, enough, ENOUGH, enough. Seventh, domestic, DOMESTIC, domestic. Neighborhood, NEIGHBOURHOOD, neighborhood. Next, international, INTER, inter, NATIONAL, national, international. Then artwork, ART, WORK, work, artwork. 11th, connected, CONNECTED, connected. Artists, ARTISTS, artists. Then 13th one, abnormal, 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 abnormal. Perfect, PERFECT, perfect. Celebration, CELEBRATION, celebration. Noticing, NOTICING, noticing. Appealing, APPEALING, appealing. Events, EVENTS, events. Dedicated, DETICATED, dedicated. Victims, VICTIMS, victims. Institute, 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 institute. Contribution, CONTRIBUTION, contribution. Twenty-third, championship, CHAMPION, champion, SHIP, championship. Civilian, CIVILIAN, civilian. These are the difficult words. Let us once read them. SCULPTING, sculpting. SCULPTING, sculpting. SCULPTING, sculpting. SCULPTING, sculpting. SCULPTURE, sculpture. SCULPTURE, sculpture. SCULPTURE, sculpture. SCULPTURE, sculpture. SCULPTURE, sculpture. SCULPTURE, sculpture. COMPETITION, competition. COMPETITION, competition. COMPETITION, competition. COMPETITION, competition. DISCOVERED, discovered. DISCOVERED, discovered. DISCOVERED, discovered. DISCOVERED, discovered. PATTERNS, patterns. PATTERNS, patterns. PATTERNS, patterns. PATTERNS, patterns. PATTERNS, patterns. ENOUGH, enough. ENOUGH, enough. ENOUGH, enough. ENOUGH, enough. DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. NEIGHBOUR, neighbor. HOOD, hood, neighborhood. 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 NEIGHBOUR, HOOD, neighborhood. INTER, enter. NATIONAL, national. International. INTER, enter. NATIONAL, national. International. INTER, NATIONAL, international. INTER, enter. NATIONAL, international. ART, art, WORK, work, artwork. ART, WORK, work, artwork. ART, WORK, work, artwork. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. ARTISTS, artists. ARTISTS, artists. ARTISTS, artists. ART, ISTS. If you add artists. ARTISTS, artists. AB, abnormal, normal, abnormal. AB, normal, abnormal. AB, normal, abnormal. AB, normal, abnormal. AB, normal, abnormal. PERFECT, perfect. PERFECT, perfect. PERFECT, perfect. PERFECT, perfect. CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. NOTICING, noticing. NOTICING, CING, noticing. NOTICING, noticing. APPEALING, appealing. APPEALING, appealing. APPEALING, appealing. APPEALING, appealing. EVENTS, events. EVENTS, events. EVENTS, events. EVENTS, events. DEDICATED, dedicated. DEDICATED, dedicated. DEDICATED, dedicated. DEDICATED, dedicated. DEDICATED, dedicated. VICTIMS, victims. VICTIMS, victims. VICTIMS, victims. VICTIMS, victims. VICTIMS, victims. CONTRIBUTION, contribution. CONTRIBUTION, contribution. CONTRIBUTION, contribution. CONTRIBUTION, contribution. CHAMPION, champion. SHIP, ship, championship. CHAMPION, champion. SHIP, ship, championship. CHAMPION, SHIP, championship. CHAMPION, champion. SHIP, ship, championship. CHAMPION, SHIP, championship. CHAMPION, SHIP, championship. CIVILIAN, civilian. CIVILIAN, civilian. CIVILION, civilian. CIVILION, civilian. So, these are the difficult words we have got in this lesson. You have written them and just now we read them also. Now let us go to I just introduced the lesson. I just introduced you the lesson. Now I will read it to you and then explain. So our lesson is the great sand artist. Here in your textbook they give different kinds of art. Dancing, classical dance, painting, sculpting, photography. Okay. So one of them is sculpting. We are coming across in our lesson the great sand artist. So you must have heard of football or cricket World Cups. But did you know that there is a sand sculpting World Cup too? Yes, we have come across World Cups for the games like Cricket World Cup, Football World Cup, Hockey World Cup, Kabaddi also nowadays. So many games. And you know, now we have got, do you know, there is a World Cup for international level, World Cup for sand art also? Yes, it is there, which we are coming across in our lesson today. Sand sculpting is the art of making beautiful sculptures with sand. What is sand sculpting? Carving different patterns from sand. Understand? Sculpting meaning is art of carving or cutting out or making designs from wood, stone, etc. But in our lesson, the sculpting is done. Preparing sculpture using the sand, carving the sand we have. That is called sand sculpture. In the year 2014, Sudarshan Patnaik won the People's Choice Award at the World Cup for his work Save Tree, Save the Future. Understand? Sudarshan Patnaik is the main character of our lesson. In 2014, in the year nearly 7 to 8 years back, he got the World Cup of the name is People's Choice Award. He won the People's Choice Award. This is the World Cup for sand sculpture. This is the World Cup for sand sculpture. His name of his art was Save Trees, Save Trees, Save Tree, Save the Future. Save the Future. This is the title of his art. This is the title of his artwork. He made a design pattern in the sand by carving it, by cutting out a design. The name of this design is Save Tree, Save the Earth. He gave the message to the world because people are cutting the trees, deforestation is taking, and because of which our whole earth is in a great problem. To save the earth from such thing happening, we have to plant more and more trees. That is what he said through his art, Save Tree, Save Future. Thousands of people voted for him. Artists from many countries took part in the competition, and he was the only artist from India. So many people voted for him. We have voting system for everything. You have singing competition on TV, Indian Idol like that, Padutati Yaga, or any dance program, Dance India Dance. Understand? All these things, people vote for them. Who gets more votes, he is the winner. Same way, many people, thousands of people from all over the world voted for him, and he won this award. In this competition, artist is a person who will do some kind of artwork, dancing, acting, painting, understand, sculpting, etc. They are called artists. Thousands of artists took part, means competed in this competition throughout the world. People from throughout the world came forward to take part, compete, understand, in this competition. But it is only one artist who won the People's Choice Award. It was Sudarshan Patnaik. His name was Sudarshan Patnaik. He won the People's Choice Award. It is the international award. Next, before Sudarshan became famous, most people in India did not even know about this type of art. Sudarshan himself discovered this art by chance. No one taught him how to make sand sculptures. So before Sudarshan became famous world level, international level, people in India did not know about what is sand art also. Nobody knew in India what is sand art. But he is the one who made this art famous. He discovered in India, he is the person who discovered this art. Understand? By chance, he did not go to any school, he did not attend any classes, he did not learn from any teachers, any artists. But by chance, just like that, accidentally, by chance and accidentally, just like that, he invented or discovered himself, he discovered this art and nobody taught him. So tomorrow onwards, let us know about his life and how stage by stage he learned this, what made him to learn this art and how could he become so famous. We are going to know about all these things. So here we stop today. Thank you.